Shenzhen Segra Electronics Company Limited, established in 2012. Our partner factory is a professional leading manufacturer engaged in the R&D, production, sale, and service of power inverter and portable power station. Our office located in Shenzhen and partner factory in Dongguan, with convenient transportation access, dedicated to strict quality control and thoughtful customer service. Our experienced staff members are always available to discuss your requirements and ensure full customer satisfaction. We have 5S System Management, provides us with clean, ordered, and joyful working environment. After years of unremitting practices and efforts, we have developed products with self-master intellectual rights and core competence. Our products has obtained ETL, PSE, FCC, SAA, CE certification, and many national appearance design and invention patents. We produce over 10 different kinds of products for more than 50 countries and enjoy high reputation among our customers all over the world. Our vision is to make electricity more convenient in daily life. Welcome your OEM and ODM orders. We also focus on professional technical inverter solutions to special projects, looking forward to forming successful business relationship with new clients around the world in the nearest future. Our products gain wide praises at home and abroad. Products and competitive prices. We warmly welcome customers from at home and abroad to cooperate with us for common success.